Hi, my name is Aviana Torres, and the first UDL influenced bi-weekly reflection that I'm deciding to talk about is the meme. I chose to explain this one because I thought it was very unique and I'd never actually had to create a meme before. I thought that it would be fairly easy to do, but when actually creating it, it was a lot more work and it took a lot more thinking than I thought that it would take. The first meme that I have here was about one of the content standards that me and my co-teachers had chosen. It was one out of the three that we originally had chosen, which was a student trying to understand what it means to be a good citizen and being tempted by choosing to do the opposite by breaking rules and accepting the consequences, but when they should be focusing on following the rules and acting in a certain way as directed, and that was content standard K.1.1. The second one was also a content standard, K.4.1, and it was about determining relative locations by using correct terms. I chose this picture for the meme because I thought it would be a great situation where you should know relative locations. So if you were giving directions and someone asked, how far are we, where is the next exit? The person saying, it's still quite far, just continue straight, and they're saying, oh wait, it's right in front of us, turn right here. It would be important to know the relative locations of keep going, it's far, keep going straight, or it's very near, so you need to turn right here. The other one is the content standard that me and my co-teachers actually did work on, and it's just about gaining knowledge and having like the ultimate knowledge, and knowledge is power. So it starts just, oh yeah, I know and remember the days of the week, to knowing and remembering all 12 months and how many days are in each, and then it becomes, oh, I remember all of the important days and events and dates that are in a calendar, and then you have all of the knowledge when you learn the content standard of K.5, which is understanding how to put events in temporal order and properly applying it by using a calendar. The final meme was about just challenges for one of the questions, and it was just remembering to incorporate SJE, CSP, and UDL while also creating a lesson plan for each content standard, which I thought was we were going to create a lesson plan for all three, but it was just having to go back and forth and make sure that each one of these was incorporated into the lesson plan when working with the content standard.